Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if you can restore deleted messages on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, so if you go to Messages app and if you delete a message, a single message like that, using the trash button, you won't be able to restore it at all. Now, if you go to a conversation and you press and hold, then you also have an option to delete it, and you also won't be able to restore it, but you can find archive button. You can archive it. It'll be hidden from here, but you'll be able to access it by clicking on profile icon in top right corner and then go to archived, and now you'll see your archived messages. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.